Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday. What's today? December 7th. Y'all. So how about my external drive stopped working yesterday? I got it to work long enough for me to post Vlogmas Day 6. Then after that, it just stopped. And my feelings are hurt because, yeah. So I call myself, yeah, I can't with the glare. I call myself looking up my receipt from that drive. I bought it back in April, and I was just checking to see if maybe I put a warranty on it, because I put warranties on everything. That's just something my parents instilled in me. Like, if it's something that can break and there's a possibility you can get a warranty on it, get the warranty every time. And I did get the 2-year warranty on it, and since I got it in April, I'm nowhere near my 2-year mark. So at 11, I will be at Best Buy to get me a replacement. Now, what I'm going to do first, because I'm not sure if I'm not sure if they take the one that you have, the one that don't work, or if you get to keep that one and get the new one. I don't know how that works. So first I need to go ahead and get everything transferred from that one. If I can get it like up, I'll just transfer everything to my desktop. And when I go, because they open at 11 and it's 9:20, so when I go up there to get it, when I bring it back home, I just transfer everything from my desktop back to the drive, the new one. But yeah, I'm about to see if I can get it to pull up right now. If I can get it to, if I can get it to pull up right now, I will go ahead and transfer everything to my desktop and pray to God that I have enough storage on my desktop to do that, because you know sometimes that I didn't get a computer with a lot of storage, so we're gonna pray that it's enough for me to do. But let me show y'all what made me say, like, did you get a warranty? So I'm on here, I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna have to buy another one, and when it focuses we can. Okay, so I'm on here, I'm like, okay, I need to buy another drive. I only get 1 terabyte because I do YouTube, so it's not like my videos are substantially large. Then I look right over here in this corner, 2-year accidental Geek Squad replacement. And I'm like, did I add that to mine? So y'all, I went into my email, typed in Best Buy, pulled up my order from April, and sure enough, I did get the accidental 2-year warranty. So y'all, because this is not even the one that I have. This one's cheaper than the one that I have, so I was like, I'll just go cheaper, because I don't need a lot of storage. But I don't even have to do that now because I have one. So I'm about to see if I can get it to connect temporarily. Sorry, y'all, I'm drinking my coffee. I'm going to see if I can get it to connect temporarily. And yeah, I hate filming in my room. I be looking so orange. But I'm going to see if I can get it to connect temporarily. If I can get it to connect temporarily, I will transfer everything to my desktop. Fingers crossed, because I don't have a lot of storage on this computer. So I'm going to pray that I can get everything over to the desktop without it saying that there's no more space. And then yeah, my boyfriend gave me a website to use to transfer everything to get it off of the drive, but I think my drive is working enough for me to get it off, so I probably don't have to do that part. But I have it just in case I do need to. So I will come back and talk to y'all a little later. Vlogmas day 7 will be up at 6 o'clock because I should not have any technical issues because I will have a new drive. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Alright y'all, so I just got dressed, and me and my brother are gonna go to Best Buy and get this exchanged out so that I can have a drive so that I can upload for today, because I don't want to be trying to do that last minute. I want to do it at a decent time. So we're about to go do that. I'll let y'all know what they say, and hopefully I can get my drive. Alright y'all, so we here at Best Buy and we about to go in. I got my mask on. It sucks because I got my glasses on and they keep fogging up. But we here, we gonna see what these people say, cause I need my drive to make anything work. So let's see what they gonna say. Alright guys, so went to Best Buy. I do need to get everything off of my drive first before I actually take it to them. So what my warranty covers is if anything happens to my drive, I can bring it in, they will give me a new one, and they keep the old one. So because they keep the old one, I do need to get everything off of it first. So I'm about to call my boyfriend so he can help me do that part. And yeah, take it back up there and get me a new drive. Now y'all, why? So my friend sent me this there's an open call for The Voice, and she sent it to me, and I said, girl, why y'all keep sending me this? Because a lot of people have sent it to me. And she says, because that's not my what she said, I'm gonna give y'all her exact words. She says, cause that ain't my side of the fence. So she basically saying because it's not something that she does, she needs me to do it. But yeah, y'all, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I might do it. I personally don't think I'm that great. But hey, you never know. You never know. You know, we are our hardest critics, so we gonna see. We gonna see. But yeah, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I realized that the stuff that I need off my camera is not really, it's not really stuff that I need, if that makes sense. So like, I don't actually, oh, it's like dark. So I don't actually need anything off my camera, because most of everything, or not off my camera, off my drive, most of everything that's on there has already been posted. So it's not like I'm let me find the light. I don't know why, but it's not like I'm gonna be missing anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them to drive back so I can get a new one, so I can have Vlogmas Day 7 up by 6 o'clock, because I don't want another late video. So I'm gonna go back to the store now and go ahead and drop this off and let them give me a new one. Hopefully they have them in stock still. The website said they do have them in my store, so we're just fingers crossed that they actually do have it. And yeah, I will let y'all know how that goes. Alright guys, so they gave it to me I did go ahead and put a new warranty on it. So what happens is when you return the item, it returns the warranty as well. So I just had to rebuy the warranty, but I got $5 and some change back from me returning the product, so I only had to pay $5.99 to repurchase my warranty, which it was going to be $10 because it's prorated, but I only paid $6 for it. So my glasses are clearing up now. But yes, I have my new drive, and I am going home to try to edit this video and schedule it to upload at 6 for you all. And yeah, so I'll see y'all when I get home.